Thank you for joining us here at 4 o'clock. I'm Lisa Hernandez. Convicted Chambers County killer Sarah Hartsfield is on her way to state prison. The retired military veteran and mother has been transferred out of the county jail after filing to appeal her conviction. KPRC2 News reporter Bryce Newberry has tracked this case since the very beginning. He's live in the newsroom for us with what comes next here, Bryce.
Well, Lisa, a jury convicted Sarah Hartsfield and gave her the max punishment 1 week ago. And this afternoon, she's being transferred about a 4-hour drive away to Gatesville, Texas, where she will begin serving this life sentence. Sarah Hartsfield killed her husband Joseph with insulin in January of 2023. A jury convicted her during a 9-day trial after they heard about her conflicting accounts of what happened. Significantly, as he laid in their home unresponsive, she claimed to be sleeping and on narcotics. But phone records showed she was online banking, ordering groceries, and setting herself up as his legacy contact to get all of his Apple data transferred to her after his death. All of that happened about 9 hours before she called 911. Hours before being transferred out of the Chambers County Jail this morning, her defense team filed a notice of appeal and a motion for a new trial, which would ask the judge to set aside the jury's verdict for a new trial or a hearing to elicit new evidence. Our legal expert Rick DeToto says new trial requests generally are not granted. The defense team, though, that represented her during the trial will not represent her on the appeal. A new attorney has been appointed. He's the former elected district attorney in neighboring Liberty County, and we have reached out for a comment this afternoon, but so far, Lisa, we have not heard back.
So, Bryce, what is expected once Hartsfield gets to Gatesville?
Lisa, it's a small town outside of Waco. The Texas Department of Criminal Justice tells me it's home to many of the female prisoner units, and she is expected to go through screening for any treatment, special needs, or housing and program considerations. But because she has this life sentence, she is expected to serve the entirety of it there in Gatesville.
We appreciate the new info as we watch news on her appeal. Bryce Newberry live for us in the newsroom. Thank you.